Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Learn with Miss Wanida. Thai for Beginner Lesson 4, Get to Learn Thai Greeting. In this lesson, you will learn in depth of verbal and non-verbal Thai greeting. Before talking about greeting in Thai, I need to let you know two famous and important words. There are Kha and Krub. Kha is spoken by a female and Krub by a male. Kha and Krub officially follow a word, phrase, and sentence. We use Kha and Krub a lot because they seem to be the only one way to speak politely in Thai. So, Kha and Krub, such a keyword of being polite. You might feel weird to say one word a lot or all the time, but believe me, there are no problems at all to say Kha and Krub as much as you can, to avoid being impolite, so it rather using them. Linguistic point. What is the part of speech of Kha and Krub? Kha, Krub is an interjection that is placed after a word, phrase, and sentence to express politeness. I'm sure that so many times foreigners heard Thai people say "cup" without รอเรือ or R sound instead of saying "krub." Or you heard Thai saying "ha" จ้ะ instead of saying "krub" or "ka." Are they correct? Can you say that? Yes, you can, but you need to know that they are not correct because they're used as informal language. Now I start with Thai verbal greeting. This one very famous and known among foreigners with the word สวัสดี I know that you knew this word already, but now I would like you to pronounce it correctly. Let's say with me. สวัสดี สวัสดี not สวัสดี or สวัสดี After you practice pronouncing สวัสดี now it's time to learn writing. I would like to show you how Thais write this word. The words combine with สอเสือ วอแหวน ไม้หันอากาศ สอเสือ ดอเด็ก สระอี If you watch the lesson 2, Thai alphabet, phonetics, and writing rules, you have learned there are no spaces between words, so get used to it. Next, I will slowly show you how to write สวัสดี สอเสือ วอแหวน ไม่หันอากาศ สอเสือ ดอเด็ก สระอี So now let's practice again with the keyword krub and kha. If you are a male and you are going to say hi in Thai, what are you going to say? สวัสดีค่ะ or สวัสดีครับ And the answer is สวัสดีครับ On the other hand, you are a female. You're going to say สวัสดีค่ะ or สวัสดีครับ I'm sure you know the answer. And yes, women say สวัสดีค่ะ It's time to talk about non-verbal greeting. Why สระไอไม้ลายหอหีบวอแหวนไม้โท Why There are 3 levels of doing why. The first level, you do why to a friend, inferior, or the person in the same status. The second level, you do the why to a senior or the person in higher status. The last level, you do why to a monk. And the basic of doing why is pressing palms together at the chest, bowing your head down until the fingertips touch your nose. Now let's get close to why. This is the example of the first level. I will make up the role of 2 persons. They are colleagues and they just met at the beach by chance. This is the way they greet to each other by using the first level of why. Press palms together, center in front of your chest with fingertips pointing up towards the chin. Bow your head forward until the index fingertips touch the tip of your nose and look down. Raise head back up, keeping hands together at chest level to finish why. This is the example of the second level of why. I make up the situation in the classroom. The student greeting the teacher with the proper way of the second level of why. Press palms together, center in front of your chest with fingertips pointing up towards the chin. Bow your head forward. Raise your palm up a little bit until the nose tip touch the thumbs and look down. Raise head back up, keeping hands together at chest to finish why. And the last level of why is to greet and show the respect to the monk. Press palms together, center in front of your chest, with fingertips pointing up towards the chin. Bow your head forward, raise your palms up a little bit while keeping on bowing your head until the thumbs between the eyebrows. Raise head back up, keeping hands together at the chest level to finish why. That's all about Thai greeting. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Don't miss to read the next content, tip and fact of this lesson.